Hello everyone, I started a new crochet project. It's going to be a lacy dress, and in this video I would like to tell you all about my new idea. So I'm going to use an existing dress of mine as a template, and the top part of the dress is going to be different, but the skirt part is what I'm following as a template. So up to here everything was fine, but over here you can see that I made too many decreases. So I will need to unravel 4 rounds and start all over. I will probably use a different lacy stitch instead of this one to keep it wider so the pattern works out. But I will use this lacy stitch higher up in the skirt part. Now with that part out of the way, let me tell you what I have as an idea for this lacy summer dress. So I'm going to make a dress which is gonna be similar to the blouse that I made before. What I mean by that is that in this dress I want to have a mixture of crochet lacy motifs and lacy stitches. I just showed you what the skirt part of the dress is gonna be like, but the top of the dress is gonna be constructed exactly the same as the previous blouse that I made. The yarn that I'm using for this dress is YarnArt Begonia. This is 100% mercerized cotton, and I have a total of 10 skeins or 500 grams. That should be enough for a lacy dress of my size. The previous blouse that I made it with Patterns Grace, and this is also 100% mercerized cotton, but this is category 3. This yarn is category 2. So this yarn is thinner, and the stitches are very neat and very delicate. The stitches are also smaller, which means it's gonna take me longer to crochet this dress. There's gonna be a lot of adjustments to get the decreases right. So that's another reason why it's gonna take me longer to complete this dress. As I already mentioned, I wanted to have lacy motifs in my dress, but I couldn't come up with an interesting idea for a lacy motif that I would like. This is thin yarn, and I wanted my motifs to be small and delicate. However, with small motifs, when you connect them together, there would be a lot of yarn tails that I would have to hide in, and I just didn't like that idea. So instead, I'm using this lacy stitch that actually looks like motifs connected together. But this is just one piece. There are no joints whatsoever. And I already have a tutorial for this lacy stitch on my channel. I made a scarf with it. I will put the link in the description box below. However, in that tutorial, I crocheted with a dark burgundy yarn, and some people commented that it is difficult to see the stitches in that tutorial. I will make more of such motifs, well, not really motifs, but lacy stitches for this dress, and perhaps I will film it again. And I also plan to make more tutorials for lacy stitches, which can be used for crochet scarves or for lacy blouses or summer dresses. So wish me luck with my new crochet project, and stay tuned for the updates and new crochet tutorials.